How to fix the issue of WhatsApp photos, documents, audio, and videos not showing in your phone's gallery. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you need to set Media Auto Download settings. For that, launch WhatsApp. Log into your account. Tap three dots at top right. Choose Settings option. Now scroll down. Select Storage and Data. Scroll down and under Media Auto Download, tap on When using mobile data and checkmark all options. Tap OK and do the same thing for both of Wi-Fi and Wind roaming. Come back. And from the same settings section, you need to scroll down and tap on Chats. And here, you need to make sure to toggle the button on for media visibility under Chat settings. This will show newly downloaded media in your device gallery. Once you have done that, you need to check whether your issue has been fixed or not and your photos, document, audio are showing in your gallery or not. If not yet, you need to simply exit from this app. Tap and hold WhatsApp and the eye icon to get access from this section. Now tap Permissions option and make sure that the photos and videos permission has been allowed. If not, open it and select Allow button. Once you have done that, restart your device to apply the changes. Hold the power button on your device and simply you need to slide towards restart and this will fix your issues and all your photos, videos, documents will be shown on your gallery. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.